In this video, I'm going to show you how to get up and running with LogViewPlus in about 60 seconds. The first thing we need to do is go to the LogViewPlus download page and get the latest version. Your download time may vary. The LogViewPlus download is currently about 24 megabytes, and on my computer this takes about 5 seconds. Next, we need to run the installer. I'm just going to accept the defaults. Once the installer finishes, I'm just going to open a standard log file, which was written in an Apache log4 format. So log entries have a timestamp, a log level, and a message. LogViewPlus supports a lot of other logging formats like XML and JSON, but some configuration may be required. Okay, so the installation is complete. I'm going to start LogViewPlus for the first time and open my log file. When I do this, I'm going to get a basic parser detected message encouraging me to configure LogViewPlus to get better results. If you're just starting out with LogViewPlus, you can ignore this message for now. And that's it. In the time it took you to watch this video, you can be up and running with LogViewPlus. To find out more, check out our 2-minute intro video which covers some of the features available in LogViewPlus.